Hey, welcome to the Blue Collar Bar. How are you?
Hey, Chris. I'm all right, man. How's it going with you?
Oh, great. Good to see you. Good to see you. What's up?
I came in for a drink, but I think I'm looking for a little something different today. I've been drinking the same stuff over and over in Manhattan, old fashioned. You got anything different for me?
All right. Well, I do, actually. Since you love the classic cocktails, I've been digging through the books lately, and I found a great Prohibition-era cocktail, the 12-mile limit.
12-mile limit? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Why do they call it that?
So I just learned it, never made it. It sounds really good. It's because apparently you had to be 12 miles out of the U.S. during Prohibition to drink or purchase alcohol.
Really? Like an international water type thing?
Apparently 12 miles is the line. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Well, that sounds good.
It has all the old classic spirits, rum, brandy, rye, all your favorites.
Yeah, that sounds good. I trust you.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do your thing. Yeah.
Cool. Let's try it together. Let's get right into it. We're gonna do a light rum here. We're gonna do 1 ounce.
Okay.
1 ounce of light rum.
I like rum.
Oh yeah, it's a great light rum here. And we're gonna make this all in the same strainer here. Very easy cocktail. We're gonna use our rye. We're going to use a ½ ounce of rye.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Just for the spicy, bold flavor. Yeah. Next, we're going to use brandy. It's nice French brandy here. Also a ½ ounce.
So we got three different liquors.
3 different spirits, yeah.
Yeah, that'll be different.
But since you like Manhattans and old fashions and the classic cocktails, I figured this was just a drink for you, sir.
Yeah.
Then we're going to do lemon juice.
Okay, a little citrus?
½ ounce citrus of fresh lemon juice. Yes, sir. And a ½ ounce of Grenadine.
Yeah, that'll sweeten it up.
Sweeten the drink up. Yes, sir. I can't have you stumbling out of here. That was it. We're going to add ice now.
Okay.
With a shaker punch, let's give it a shake. And we have this glass of ice water.
Now why do you put the water and ice in there?
I'm doing that to chill the glass, so your glass will stay cold through the duration of your drink.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I don't want it to get warm.
You don't want a warm drink.
No.
With a Hawthorne Strainer, we're going to strain up. No ice.
Wow.
Look at that color.
Red.
Look at that color.
It's red.
Beautiful. We're going to put a little twist on here.
Oh,
Lemon twist, that is.
Got to make it look nice.
Oh, yeah. Dress it up. There you have the 12-mile limit.
12-mile limit. All right.
Sir, give it a shot. See what you think.
Cocktail.
Give you a think. Brand new cocktail. I've never had it before. Hope you like it.
Chris, I think you found a winner here.
Awesome.
That's actually really good.
Awesome. Awesome.
You get a lot of the rum. It's sweet from the rum. You get that rum flavor, but there's just a little bit of whiskey, and really nice, really sweet, a little sour. Great cocktail.
I will add to the list.
Yeah.
I'm glad you enjoy it.
The list is growing.
It is. Well, if you want to see more cocktails, make sure you like this drink. Subscribe to our bar, the Blue Collar Bar.
Yeah.
And you can follow me on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
Yeah, I love Instagram.
Oh, everyone does. It's huge.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah, I think they're going to love this cocktail on Instagram.
I hope they are. Well, thanks a lot for coming. Great to see you again.
Always good to see you, Chris.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye.